Look who's pulling up. What's up, big dog? We got Christian just pulled up. We're gonna go get some gas tonight for the low for 93. And it's also a little wet out. So we're gonna do some little drifting tonight. Christian's adjusted.
Do some dumb shit.
I'm the one, yeah, we're gonna do some dumb shit today. Usually I'm the one who comes up with these ideas, but no, he's come up with the ideas today. I like it though, I like it. We're actually gonna wait on Omar. I think he's gonna come with us.
What's up, everybody? Another episode of Shitbox Garage. My light stopped working.
I actually gave Christian these LED bulbs to go in the back to show your license plate, like for clear.
Ruined.
And one of them already went out. It was about what, a month ago maybe I gave you it?
And both.
Yeah, actually I met Christian about a month ago, and the first day I gave him these bulbs, and now these bulbs went out. They're from Amazon. Your bulb went out faster than mine's though. I don't know how. I've had my bulbs on for like 3 months and they're still good. I had a 10-pack and I gave him one. It's been raining today all day. And what happened?
Got her a little sideways, and then I said, well, that was fun. So I got her a little more sideways. Now I'm here.
This guy gets a little sideways out of school, and now he's got the idea to go drifting right now at night. It's perfect. It's perfect for right now. We're gonna wait about like 5 more minutes. We're gonna go ahead to the gas station. Omar is gonna meet us there with his 14s. V6 though. It's all right. It's still clean. We respect that. We always get stuck by this freaking train. The 3rd week in a row. Gosh. He's got the sequentials going. I didn't even really notice that. Let's see what tricks he got up in his book. Look who finally showed up. Man, your car is taller than you, man. Huh? Your car is taller than you. What's up?
Did it always be like this?
Huh?
Did it always be like this?
It's actually a little bit better than this sometimes. It's just raining today. Yeah. Usually sometimes this whole lot is filled with cars, but not today, but it's still decent, you know. Gassed up. Sadly the V6 don't take 93.
Fuck you,
we're about to go head to the drift spot though. See you guys at the next spot. All right, so we made it to a spot with some good lighting. The ground is not the best, but I think it'll do. I do have another spot in mind, but I checked out this one first. But you want to take it for a spin first? Yeah? All right, Christian's gonna spin it. Do it over there in that lighting.
Baby, you should wanna come to me. Main bitch in my iPhone, cause these little thoughts in the nudies. Got them teens getting boxed up like a motherfucking pair of Subies. Give me head, bitch, duck, duck. She got purple hair like Uzi. Smuggle shit, tryna double shit. Put the boot bags in the coochie. Suck and fuck, I ain't fall in love, baby, don't start no wars.
Man, do you even got some wear on these tires anymore? Oh, he didn't. He barely got any wear left. A little bit. Compared to the fronts, hey, were your backs like your fronts?
Nah, my fronts are new.
Okay, all right, perfect. Your fronts are new. All right, cause your backs, your backs are they're done, dude. They're almost done. The winter's coming up. You're gonna have to invest in some Jeep tires, especially in this thing. That was lit for his first drift. You guys want to dip? It's like 1 a.m. right now. We just messed these 3 little spots up. But I think we're all gonna dip home now. You gonna dip?
Yeah.
All right, for sure. All right, guys. Hey, leave a like in the video for Omar's first drift in the V6, though. That was nice. That was nice. He was in one spot. That felt good.
Yeah,
That felt good. That felt good. I'm gonna put a little something together. But guys, leave a like for Omar. We got Christian over there sitting tight. He ready to go in case some car comes in, our security comes and get us or whatever. But I think we'll be good. It's like 1 a.m. But that was lit for Omar. All right, guys. Christian even got this together. He just hit me up, say, "Hey, you want to go drifting?" Blah blah. I'm like, "You already know I'm down to drift, man. I'm a crazy man. You already know." But yeah, I got a review coming for you guys today. It's 1 a.m. So this video, hopefully, I will try to post it today. I'll try to post this video today. But other than that, guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel, because guess what? We gone. Lay off the gas, Christian. Gosh, leave this guy redlining shit out of his engine right now.